Good morning to everyone. I'm Dr. Sumi MS. The topic of my today's presentation is ASIC design flow from Unit 5, ASIC design and testing. On completion, the students will be able to describe the digital circuit design flow. ASIC design flow. Design entry denotes the method of using a hardware description language or a schematic entry. Logic synthesis. This produces a netlist, that is logic cells and their connections. Here the netlist is the description of the connectivity of an electronic circuit. It contains the list of all the electronic components in a circuit and the nodes that are connected to the circuit. The netlist logically consists of several different blocks, ports as well as pins. System partitioning. This is the process for dividing a large system into ASIC sized pieces. Pre-layout simulation. It is nothing but to check to see if the design functions correctly. Floor planning, that is arranging the blocks of the netlist on the chip. Placement. This decides the location of the cells in the block. Routing. Make the connections between the cells as well as the blocks. Extraction. This determines the resistance and capacitance of the interconnects present. Then we have the post layout simulation. This is to check to see the design still works with the added loads of the interconnect. So among the above steps, the steps 1 to 4 are part of the logical design and the remaining are the part of the physical design. Logical design is concerned with creating a logical representation of the circuit, while the physical design is concerned with creating a physical implementation of that circuit that is to be fabricated. So this can be represented as a diagrammatic representation. Some ASIC vendors, especially for masked gate arrays, supply tools that have been developed in-house. An ASIC vendor library is normally a Phantom library in which the cells are empty boxes but will contain enough information about the layout. After we design the layout, a netlist is to be handed over to the vendor. The second and third choices require either making a buy or build decision. If we complete an ASIC design using a cell library that we have bought, then we can also own the masks that are used to manufacture the IC. This is called custom owned tooling. Each cell in an ASIC cell library must contain the following: a physical layout, a behavioral model, a Verilog or VHDL model, detailed timing models, a test strategy, a circuit schematic, a cell icon, a wire load model, and routing models. Quiz questions on ASIC design flow. List the various steps in ASIC design flow. What do you mean by ASIC cell library? Thank you.